Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and today I have a very quick, very simple Oriental style snack for you. But before I jump into the recipe, I have a little confession to make. Yesterday, I didn't get enough time to purchase ingredients. So today, while I was on my way to the studio, I used Swiggy's Instamart to purchase ingredients. And they should be here anytime soon. Trust me, they deliver at rapid speed. Magic, there here looks like. Didn't I tell you? These guys are rapid and deliver within minutes. Actually, on an eventful day, they are lifesaver. You can get things delivered as early as 6 in the morning to really late at night. Now with Swiggy Instamart, you really don't have to worry about anything. You can get the smallest of things delivered right at your doorstep. You can find Swiggy Instamart on Swiggy app. Anyway, now that the ingredients are here, let's begin with the easy peasy crackling spinach. Let's begin. For this recipe, we're going to use spinach, red chili flakes, castor sugar, a touch of sesame oil, sesame seeds, salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and that's about it. Let's begin with the recipe. First things first, to snip off the ends or stems of spinach. Let's keep this aside, and this could also make a wonderful soup. Do not throw this. This bunch of spinach, once snipped, goes straight in water for washing. Allow this bunch to steep in water for a little while so that the grit or mud is taken care of and so that there are no surprises in your mouth. Let's do the same thing for the second bunch as well. Let's drain as much water as we can because crackling spinach is a recipe which uses deep fried leaves of spinach. Let's transfer this on an absorbent tissue paper or on a Turkish towel, which is generally used in kitchens. The whole idea here is to pat the leaves dry completely before moving ahead. And finally, we'll transfer this into a plate so that we can make little bundles or bunches and chop this as fine as we can. When I say chopping, I mean shredding this very fine. Once spinach is finely shredded and ready, I'm just going to spread it like so that the remaining water, if any, also starts drying out. While this is happening, I'm also going to light the flame and keep the oil to heat on high flame. The spinach leaves have dried well. The oil is also heated wonderfully well and is the perfect temperature to begin frying. Now this is the step. Frying is the step where 99% of the time you could go wrong. But if you follow this to the T, you'll get it right every time. Oil needs to be super hot, the leaves need to be dry, and you need to have a kitchen paper ready so that all the extra oil gets absorbed. Remember all of this. I know a lot of you may get tempted to just dust a little bit of corn flour, but if you get all of this right, you're not going to need it. Let's start frying in small batches. You would have realized and noticed that the moment the first batch or a fistful of spinach leaves were dropped in hot oil, it immediately rose the oil. Now this is where you could also avoid a kitchen accident. Fry this in small batches and you should do it perfectly. The temperature of oil should not be reduced at any point in time. The flame should be high. The spinach leaves are fried and ready. Let's transfer all of this on an absorbent tissue paper. And while transferring, also spread this so that they kind of get absorbed. Similarly, let's start frying the rest of the spinach. With this, our spinach is all fried and ready. And the spinach next gets transferred in a deep bowl so that we can toss this with some wonderful seasoning. Let's transfer all of this in a deep bowl. Let's begin with chili flakes. Now depends on how much spice you're comfortable with. Castor sugar. Now this literally would fall on it like snow. Roasted white sesame seeds. Just a touch of salt, because by now I'm sure you know spinach by itself has a touch of salt. Freshly cracked black pepper. And last but not the least, a smidgen of sesame oil. Let's quickly toss all of this with very gentle hands. With this, crackling spinach is almost done, and I know your mouth is already salivating. If you want to order the ingredients used in this recipe, click on the link. This brings us to the finale, plating and serving. Quick to make crackling spinach is done and ready, and it's as easy as ordering via Swiggy Instamart and getting your groceries delivered in minutes. Well, that's not it. If you're a new user and ordering via Swiggy Instamart for the first time, you get a flat discount of ₹70 on all orders above ₹199 by using a promo code I am Rajshri. Hope you like this recipe and try it soon. Bye for now.